Bakit nasa hospital na? Ano man?
May cancer.
My father died of liver. Sad lang nawala na yung father ko. Hindi niya makikita yung nabuo namin na empire. Pero I'm sure naman he'll be happy if he goes. So ang dami. So we have this 7-step authentication pa. And after that, may servicing pa. I don't think this has been serviced. Kasi hindi na kami pwedeng basta maglabas ng relo. So we have this 2 weeks process. Oh guys, watch another day. Pero magpapacheck naman sa atin ng relo. They're trying to sell. Let's see. Sabi nila magpapa-appraisal sila. But we don't do appraisal kasi you have to have a selling price before you go to us para check namin kung bibili namin na hindi. Puntahan na natin. Sana andyan pa sila. Hi ma'am! Sorry mapakita mo, puno kasi yung sa lounge natin eh.
Check na ko na sis na.
Really? Ano po sabi?
Ayun na. Kasi parang dalawa din stock inside.
Hindi ko pa kasi nakikita eh. Okay, so this is a two-tone Tahitian mother of pearl. This is a reference 179, 171. This is a 26mm. How much are you trying to get?
500 po saan.
How much did they offer kanina?
Around 300-ish now.
Would you do 350?
Ang gusto sana sa at least 400.
Medyo mahirapan makamit nun eh. It's nice. It's 2008 though. Ito yung pinakaunang watches na nagawan ng Rehot. Rehot started 2007. So ito may Rehot na to. I can see looks good naman. Wouldn't you go less than 400? For us kasi, there's a lot of process that we do. Unlike yung usual na gaya-gawa ko dati, yung nag-online selling lang ako, bibili lang ako, bibenta ako. Right now, we're very cautious na. Marami kasing umiikot ngayon ng mga watches. Original naman yung movement, original yung case, pero yung bezel hindi. Kaya yung crown hindi. So ang dami. So we have this 7-step authentication pa. And after that, may servicing pa. I don't think this has been serviced. So that's something that we have to do. Kasi hindi na kami pwedeng basta maglabas ng relo eh. So we have this 2 weeks process. At dumadaan siya step by step talaga yung mga watches namin. Kasi a lot of people are already paying us premium with the watches. Kasi hindi naman talaga kami market price eh. But yung peace of mind kasi ng mga tao pag bumibili sila sa amin, siyempre kasi alam nilang process talaga yung mga watches, walang lulusot sa amin. Kaya actually namin in-invent yung Gentry Care namin. That's also to cater for yung mga namin, mga in-house watches namin.
Ito po kasi namin sa internet, syempre search din po. Pag yung end user na, nasa 600 din siya. So baka maka-help din po ito kasi ito talaga yung official receipt po na.
So it has a receipt from Washington pa. Dated 2008, December 31. Maybe I can do 370. Complete ba yung leaks
verify.
Well, the verification naman, it's really done by us talaga. Kasi ang problem din, kung magpa-service ka sa hindi mo rin kilala or hindi mo trusted, pwedeng without your knowledge, mapalitan ng something. Kaya we really take our time to check everything matter.
Ito pa, mama.
Hi, ma'am! Mami, na-assess ko na. Kaso 370 yung ko dito. Kasi reseller ako eh. Kailangan mo pa ibenta to. O may basag pa siya dito sa gilid ng salamin. So probably papalitan pa yung salamin na.
Nakakonfine kasi yung palo. Kaya wala kaming choice.
Bakit nasa hospital ba? Ano man?
May cancer. End of the year, medyo naging complicated. Parang okay na okay siya to speak lang. Unti-unti na 4 consecutive months na siya nakapalipay.
Can actually relate. My father died of liver. Dito naman kami sa Cardinal. Medyo 3 months din. You know, February namin nalaman. Passed away October. Ganun kabilis. Actually, yung nangyari naman sa akin yan, kasagsagan ng pag-relo. So I was really juggling between hospital also and selling watches. We're able to cover all the expenses. Then, sad lang nawala na yung father ko. Hindi niya makikita yung nabuo namin na empire. Pero I'm sure naman he'll be happy if he goes. And I really want to help you guys know. I've been in that situation talaga eh. Yeah, I'd do for us. Just for you guys. Even mas mataas siya dun sa kuha namin. And meron pa kaming stock. Usually, I would get it a little lower just to average things out. But I really know where you guys are. Would you like to go inside lang? Pulang kayo. I'll just have this checked lang by our team then. Huwag kang maiyak, ma'am! My father, before he passed away talaga, was very vocal to us. Now, this is life. Diba? And then we're very religious kasi. Sa kanya, will ni God to eh. We did our best. He's always saying thank you pa rin kay God kasi yung life na binigay, na hanggang dito na lang daw siya. Kasi maybe his job is done. And then this is the way for God saving him. And this is for us to step up na, accept it. And this is life. The worst thing is yung sudden death. Yung alam mo na, yes, may suffering doon. No doubt with that. Pero at the same time, there's a blessing in there kasi nakapagpaalam ka na maayos, you were able to forgive, and most important, you were able to repent. Mahirap pag may test paper ka, biglang kinuha sa'yo, hindi mo alam na mag-e-end na pala yung exam. Pero pag alam mo nang yung exam mo is mag-e-end and you have the time to answer everything. Something we cannot do is ask why or be in deniable. Kasi those things are very big sin sa amin yun. To ask God why did He do it. We can't ask God kung bakit. That's God's will. At least, after nun, naging health conscious kami, namulat kami. So, right now, we're trying to do our best. Okay na? na? Dumalik na yung relo? Okay, ma'am. The watch naman passed na. Everything is good with the watch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 400.
Thank you so
Check mo na
much.
siya. Thank you so much, ma'am. Good luck ha. Maraming salamat. Regards na lang kay mother niyo po. And kay father niyo pag nakausap niyo siya. Nice meeting you, sir. Maraming salamat. Best health para sa inyo. So yun guys, very unfortunate yung nangyari sa kanila. The least we can do is help dun sa ganung bagay. Kahit na may nakita tayo may tama sa glass and everything, I would just replace that. Kaya na namin yun.